This is Governor Larry Hogan. He getting this on Wednesday, opening day of session. So when I ask him about this, I don't want no problems. That's my Weaver Award. That's from Governor Hogan, Governor Citation. It's making a movie about Governor Hogan. We're talking about the prison industry and Governor Hogan's crime bill for 2022. That's Governor Hogan and me and Mayor Pugh. Like I said, I was making a documentary about Baltimore. And Governor Hogan, you the star of the show. We're talking about your prison industry and the war on drugs. You want to send black people to federal court now. That's me, 11905 Falls Road. See the date. That's the Supreme Court of the United States. That's the Maryland office of the Public Defender's Office. All right? St. Paul Street. I gave you the shorty program. And the political part. All right? And that's the Supreme Court. And that's rules of the Supreme Court, amendments of the Constitution, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, all right? The right to petition our government and our government. So, Governor Hogan, you got mail. This mail is legal evidence for a whistleblower's application, all right? And it ain't just Governor Hogan. It's Anthony Brown. He got it too. So on Wednesday, both of y'all gonna get this. That's Governor Hogan. That's Adrian Jones. That's a legal notice. All right? And it tells you I was making a movie. Right there. Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn. And that's Governor Ehrlich. I helped get Governor Ehrlich elected. That's Tom Perez. He was with the Department of Justice when I started this. And this is 2019. United States Department of Justice. Assistant Attorney General. Dwayne Shorty Davis. And that's Johnny Oleski asking the Department of Justice to get involved. So when you take office on January the 18th, I got next. I got first. Everything that Barbara Mikulski got, you got to turn over. City, county, state, and federal levels. See who that is? Erwin Green. Attorney at law, David Irwin. 11905 Falls Road, 86 CF 293. I'm innocent of all those charges. And Scott Shellenberger brought that to court. He's playing Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. The money you make off of incarceration. The money you make off of incarceration. It's a lifestyle, all right? That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. And Delegate Stephanie Smith has my intellectual property. That's Judge Bell and Shannon Sneed. That's President Biden. That's Governor Hogan and Al Redmer. That's President Obama. And those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger in 2011. And I filed them charges in 2021. You see who got it? Adrian Jones, Baltimore County, States Attorney's Office. You see who got this? These are your elected officials. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the criminality in the courts. I'm an independent filmmaker. And like I said, we playing Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. Get caught, get cuffed. You go to jail. If Blagojevich can go to jail, or Hogan can go to jail. That's my store on Falls Road. We're talking about identity theft. And that's identity theft. All right? Employees spend the summer paying the bills. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Jack Young and Adrian Jones. You feel me? That's Congressman Cummings and Jason Nunez from WBAL. I never got a trial for this case. I never got a trial. And the state took $250 million from me. I never got a trial. You feel me? That's Brian Frost, the Attorney General. That's Peter Franco. And these are Democrats. So we talking about, here's a list of cheats you'll get a chance to try and complete during the game. Well, y'all lost the game. Just like Jumanji, y'all lost the game. Y'all trying to reinvent Reaganomics and lock up Black Baltimore. That's not going to happen. So Governor Hogan, on opening day of session, you got to turn this over. It's my intellectual property. Ain't no law against making a movie. You gave me an award. You gave me an award. Weaving in Baltimore. So Adrian Jones, Wes Moore, Judge Bell. We're talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. Mass incarceration in your prison industry. Supreme Court or the grand jury, but you got to prosecute Scott Shellenberger.